Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 sewing mistakes that you do that makes your clothes look so cheap. Sis, the difference between a 5k dress and a 50k dress is not the fabric. It is these 5 mistakes right here. And if you are doing one of them, your clothes will definitely look cheap. Today, I'm showing you what they are and exactly how to fix these mistakes. So let's get started. Number 1 is wrong thread tension. If your seams look like this, it is your machine tension. To fix it, you have to test on scrap fabric first. Loosen the tension and use the right needle size for your fabric. For chiffon and Ankara, use a size 12 to 14 needle. For flat seams makes your clothes look expensive. Gaping armholes, tight bust, pulling on the back. No matter how fine the fabric is, a bad fit will make it look so cheap. So fix this. Always make a mock-up with a cheap fabric first. Pin it on your mannequin or body and adjust. Take your measurement again. Fit is everything. Rushing your hem. Don't fold and sew in one go. First of all, press it, then sew the hemming or and stitch with small stitches. And always measure twice. A straight hem makes any fabric look expensive. Leaving raw edges. If the inside of your dress looks like this, if it looks so rough, people will know. To fix these raw edges, overlock or zigzag or line your dress. Clean finishing inside makes it look like boutique quality. It makes it look like boutique standard. Another costly mistake that you engage in that makes your clothes look so cheap is skipping interfacing. Neckline and collars looking floppy. That's because you skipped interfacing. To fix this, you have to add fusible interfacing to your collars, your cuffs and facings before you sew. It gives the cloth structure. That's what makes designer clothes stand out. So which mistakes were you making? Comment 1 to 5 below and I'll reply. If this helped you, give it a like and send it to your tailor friend who needs to see this.